Hey everybody, it's Renee and Maic with the Friedrich Team here at eXp Realty.
And today's question is, how do you become a millionaire through real estate?
How do I become a millionaire through
How
real
do
estate?
we become a millionaire? Or you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a great question, and one that, we don't get that specific question very often, but we do have people asking about investing in real estate all the time.
Right.
And so we wanted to bring you guys a couple of ideas. So, obviously there's the first, like buy real estate and just hold it and wait for the equity. And, gosh, in California, sometimes that can mean, $1 million in real estate over time.
Yeah, I mean, you go buy a shack in San Francisco and you're an instant millionaire, right?
Yeah,
So,
one day. Yeah. The second way is to flip houses. So we've got a lot of investors that we work with that will buy something that is kind of that ugly duckling that we talk about a lot,
Yeah.
and they'll go in and fix it up, and then they sell it.
Yeah, and
For
they
profit.
either put in sweat equity or checkbook equity, right?
Yes.
Whichever it is. But they improve something, they make it better.
Yes, and then you can sell the house for more and take that quick profit.
And whomever you follow as far as investing goes, keep in mind you're really making the money when you buy the property.
100%.
The other stuff is just gravy,
Yes.
right?
Yes, you've
Yeah.
got to get a good deal when you're buying a flip on the front end.
And because we're in California and we're not financial experts, this is not financial advice.
Correct.
Okay.
The third, which isn't really the only, there's more than three, so we
Yeah.
might fit in a couple bonuses here, but the third way is to buy, hold, and do short or long-term rentals.
So that's my favorite one, really, because for those of you that know us a little bit closer, they know that we follow Tony Robbins. And his premise is you should be investing for income.
Yes.
Right? And so that's that third one.
Yes.
Definitely.
And there's, like we said, short and long-term rentals. We see a lot of vacation rentals, even in areas that you wouldn't think were vacation rentals, but we see Airbnbs literally all over the place now. VRBO and also
Those midterm rentals.
those midterm rentals
Yeah.
where we have, professions where people can work from anywhere, and we're starting to see those folks go, if I can work from anywhere, why not go to the beach, or why not go up to Tahoe for a month?
Right.
And so we'll see 30, 60, 90-day rentals that are also pretty popular now too, especially with the nursing community.
Yeah, the traveling nurses. Exactly.
Yeah.
Jigs.
Jinx. So that's a great way. And then getting started, there's a lot of different things that we've seen people do over the years. So, taking that house that you live in currently that you own and making that your first rental. That's what Maic and I did. We kept our second house,
Yeah.
and that's still a rental property. And we might actually sell it this summer and roll it into a multifamily investment. And we're super excited about that because we've never owned a duplex or a fourplex, and we want to venture into that game because of our clients that we saw the other day.
Yeah.
So they owned a property in San Francisco, and it was negative cash flowing for them, meaning that they had to write a check for more than what they were getting from the tenant to cover their mortgage and taxes and all the things. And so we looked at what the value was of that property, and it had earned good equity, but the cash flow was terrible. So we helped them move that one condo into 2 duplexes. So they have 4 doors now instead of 2, or instead of 1,
Right.
sorry. And now they've got really nice cash flow every single month. And that's, I think, really helped them improve their lifestyle.
Right. And I mean, on how to do that, give us a call, or we'll maybe do another segment separate just with that, because we don't want to go too long, of course.
Yes. Yes.
But yeah, that's a great story. Go from 1 to 4.
You can exchange, you can save for down payment, you can, turn your current home into an investment property. There's so many different ways to get your foot in the door with investing, and we're here to help. So I've never had anybody tell me, 10 years down the line, oh my gosh, I wish I would have never bought that rental property. Nobody says that.
That's right. I've never.
So whatever it takes to get you into that first rental, we're here to help and help you become that millionaire next door, right?
Yeah, there you go.
All right.
All right. So give us a call.
Thanks, you guys.
Take care.